G'day, John Canny here. Today I'm going to talk to you about a problem that we've got with Ford Rangers, BT50s and Ford Everests with their wheel nuts. This is a problem that could get you stranded in the outback, okay? So I'm going to tell you what the problem is and how to resolve it. And at the end of this video I'll give you my secret weapon I use for making sure I never have a problem getting wheel nuts off. Okay, so here's the problem. This is a standard stock wheel nut supplied with Ford Rangers like this, okay? It has a metal cap over the top of the wheel nut, a chrome cap over the top of the wheel nut. Unfortunately, this cap distorts and twists, and if you've got one of these, sometimes you either can't get it on, or once you get it on, it won't grip. If you've got one of these, you're not much better off, okay? So how do you solve this problem? Well, after discovering that I couldn't get one of my wheels off because I couldn't undo the nuts, because I couldn't get the spanner on, I went to my local tyre dealer and said, what's the solution? Well, the solution is to replace these nuts with solid steel nuts. It cost me less than $2 a nut to replace all of the wheel nuts on my car. And now I know that if I'm in the outback and I need to get a wheel off to change it, then I won't have a problem like this. So what I suggest you do is you go to a reputable tyre dealer. You need to make sure it's a nut that's suitable for your rim and your car and will remain secure and safe. You get a new set of wheel nuts on just to make sure you can change your tyre if you're stuck out there. So what's my secret weapon? This is it, okay? I've got a 600 bar and I've got a good quality socket. This is a 19mm socket which fits the Ford Ranger. It's a good quality socket, and with this I'm sure that I got enough leverage to get any wheel nut off, and I won't have any stripping or slipping, unless of course it's some of those dodgy Ford wheel nuts. And I can't explain what they were thinking when they put those on our cars. Okay, hope that's helpful. Hope that helps to keep you safe. Check out my video on the essentials that I think you need to take with you if you're traveling in the outback. Don't forget to subscribe. Look forward to talking to you again soon.